Drum roll, shall we unbox my Rayban Meta Wayfarer Smart Sunglasses? Guys, I'm so excited for this purchase. I literally walked into a Rayban store, did a pre-fit and placed my order. And guys, in about 48 hours, this was delivered right to my doorstep. Can you see the leather? Oh my god, this is pure leather. This is given 10 over 10, 0 over nothing. It's 100% uber stylish. I opted for the darker shades because you guys know the sun in Canada, especially the summer period, is no joke. I wanted something for comfort, protection, and yet does the job as well. So guys, this you can listen to music, make your calls, live stream, and you can also download the MetaView app because it actually works hand in hand, and you can literally ask your glasses questions, and on the spot it provides answers for you. I particularly love these glasses and I'm so excited because I'm going to be using this a lot more. If you're a content creator like myself, but sometimes you feel really shy to bring out your phone or your camera in public and make those beautiful memories, you don't have to worry anymore because with these sunglasses, you literally have all that sorted out for you. Guys, I cannot wait to make more content for you guys. I know that I'm gonna love using these glasses and I cannot wait. That's me putting it back in the pouch, and the total cost of these glasses is $400 plus, including taxes. I absolutely love my Ray-Ban Meta Smart